Judge Freeh, Marcus Guthrie, NBC News. What is your best explanation as to why 4 senior officials at Penn State chose to actively conceal this information and disregard their obligations to the children?
Well, as we put in our report, the motivation to avoid the consequences of bad publicity. Not just bad publicity. What are the consequences of bad publicity? The consequences of bad publicity are government investigations, right? Donors being upset, the university community being very upset, as we saw in November of 2011, raising questions about what they themselves did in 1998. What's striking about 1998 is nobody even spoke to Sandusky. Not one of those 4 persons, including the coach, who was a few steps away from his office. There's no indication anybody spoke to him. There's no indication that Coach Paterno called all of his assistant coaches in and said, hey, look, make sure this guy Sandusky doesn't bring any more kids into the shower room. In other words, there's lots of consequences that go with bad publicity in 2001.
Do you believe this was to protect the football program?
I think that's an inference that you can draw, but I think bad publicity affects a panorama of different events, including the brand of Penn State, including the university, including the reputation of coaches, including the ability to do fundraising. It's got huge implications.